Okay, so you got your button all set up, but then what happens? Well, if you click Create Button, it's going to take you to another page. Oh, email address is required. Where did I mess up? Email address to receive payments. So you just put in whatever your email address is for your PayPal. My bad, I'm skipping that step. So now you're taken to this page that has all this craziness in there. And you're like, oh my god, what do I do? This is so crazy. Literally, copy this. And then I'm going to take this to, I have a page on my back end called Test. That's literally what the page is called, Test. And I have this set up as a password protected page, and it's just a page where I can test things. So this particular theme that I'm using is Divi, but it doesn't really matter. You can use however you edit text in your particular theme. And when you get to your text editor, you want to click on this button. You want to click right-click that that text, and it's going to show up as. Excuse my computer while it decides to take forever to save this. You know it's still saving because of this little deal. And let me open this in a new tab. I'll probably have to put in my password to see it, which is super fancy, test. But whatever. Just that way it's not like out there for anybody to see me testing kind of whatever weird random stuff I decide I want to test. And there is my Buy Now button. So if I click on that, it will take me to a payment gateway page to PayPal. So there we go. Now, so we know the button works. Now we're going to make it look pretty because it's pretty ugly. So you're going to go back to your text editor, however your text editor looks. But before we do that, I want to go to Appearance. No, not Appearance. I need my stuff, my media. There it is. I'll go to my media library, and I think I have, unless I deleted it, an old button that I use for a whole different thing already on here. So let me see if I can find it. It doesn't matter what image you use for a button as far as the code goes, but I just want it to look nice. So I can see what I'm talking about. Ooh, that's some old stuff right there. It's funny when you look back through your files, you see like this old branding that's no longer your branding. But anyway, let's use I know this is so stupid. I should just pick something. It doesn't really matter. But I want to show y'all kind of what it looks like if it's done properly and not just done crappily. So let's just, oh, here. This is an actual button. Name your thing. Click here to go to PayPal checkout. So this is a button that I created, or an image that I created to be used as a button. So you're going to triple click on this. Copy it. Go back to my page. I'm going to edit this text. So we're going to go to image source. I'm just going to change this whole source out in between the asterisk or the quotation marks. A right click, paste, save and exit. And what that does is it changes that ugly, nasty PayPal button that we did have to something that's branded to your brand. And it will still be perfectly functional. Now some people like to leave the PayPal images, like that logo and everything, because it's like PayPal is very trustworthy. But personally, I like to have my things a little more branded, and so I do say click to go on to PayPal checkout, and when I click on this, bam. I'm saying bam for the future. Bam! There it is. They're taken to the PayPal page, and then once they complete that, then they will be taken to whichever page you designated for your thank you page. Hope that helps. Bye.